Hello and welcome to our deep dive into Arabic grammar, focusing on Hamza at the beginning of words Hamzatul Wasl and Hamzatul Qat. These are crucial for correct Arabic pronunciation and reading, often covered on page 70 of grammar texts. Let's break down these concepts in detail. First, Hamzatul Wasl, the connecting Hamza, acts like a bridge. It's a non-phonemic glottal stop. It's pronounced only when starting a word. If the word follows another word in continuous speech, Hamzatul Wasl is dropped, becoming silent for a smooth transition. It's a conditional sound, appearing only when needed to initiate speech. Visually, in the Quran, Hamzatul Wasl is a small sad over an aleph. Outside the Quran, it's typically a plain aleph without a Hamza, or sometimes an aleph with a wasla sign. Its conditional pronunciation means it's read only at the beginning of a sentence or phrase and ignored mid-sentence. Where do we find Hamzatul Wasl? Most commonly, in the definite article, al, as in, al-Kitab, the book. It also appears in certain verbs command forms of 5 or 6 letter verbs, and their verbal nouns. For example, the imperative, uktub, write, from a triliteral root, starts with Hamzatul Wasl. Past tense verbs from forms 7x, like, istighfara, he asked for forgiveness, also begin this way. Additionally, a fixed group of nouns, including, ism, name, ibn, son, and imra'a, woman, feature Hamzatul Wasl due to grammatical structure. Consider, al-Qamar, the moon. The aleph in al is pronounced when starting the word, but in wa al-manzil, and the house, the wa precedes it, making the Hamzatul Wasl silent. It's pronounced wal manzil, not wa al-manzil. Similarly, while ism alone has a pronounced Hamzatul Wasl in Bismillah, in the name of Allah, preceded by it becomes bism, and the Hamzatul Wasl is silent. This highlights its role in smooth word connection. The vowel sound for Hamzatul Wasl, when pronounced, follows the wasl vowel rule. For verbs, observe the third letter in its past tense. Damma means starting with damma kasra, or fatha means starting with kasra. For nouns like ism, it's always a kasra. In the definite article, al, the vowel is always a fatha, as in, al-Kitab. An interesting interaction occurs when Hamzatul Wasl meets a Hamza of interrogation, a Hamzatul Qat, which is always pronounced if the interrogative Hamza, meaning, is it, precedes a word. Starting with Hamzatul Wasl in, al, the Hamzatul Wasl is dropped, and the interrogative Hamza is clearly pronounced. Before the name of Allah, this interrogative Hamza is stretched. Now, Hamzatul Qat, the cutting Hamza, is the opposite. It's always pronounced, irrespective of its position or what precedes it. It's an unwavering sound. Visually, Hamzatul Qat is marked by a small ayn above or below the aleph, depending on its vowel. For example, in akala, he ate, the Hamza is clearly pronounced. It maintains its distinct sound whether at the beginning, middle Hamza, or end extreme Hamza of a word. In summary, Hamzatul Wasl is the adaptable, conditionally silent connecting Hamza, while Hamzatul Qat is the assertive, always pronounced cutting Hamza. Mastering this distinction is crucial for accurate Arabic reading and fluent speech. Understanding these rules will significantly improve your comprehension and pronunciation.